Pickle boy. You like pickles, don't you? Say pickle boy.
Pickle boy.
Yummy, yummy. You like pickles, don't you? Say pickle, pickle. Mmm. How's that pickle? Is that good? Is that pickle good? Mmm. Pickle, pickle. Oh, you can set it down on your plate. Pickle, pickle. You serious about that pickle, aren't you? That's your second one. Pickles are good, aren't they? You need to be on a pickle commercial. No, I don't want any. No, thank you. You need to be on a pickle commercial, don't you? Love them kosher dill pickles. Yummy, yummy. Wow. Don't eat it all at once. You got to take bites of it. Wow. You want a napkin? Wipe off your hands. Wipe off your hands. Wipe off your face. Wipe off your face. Now. Say, pickle boy. You like that? You take that?
Milk pickle.
You want another pickle?
Yes. Okay.
Okay, what? You sure you want another pickle?
Open.
You want another pickle?
Mama.
Another one?
Open.
It'd be your third pickle.
Open.
I'll open it. You want one more pickle? One more?
Open.
Just one more pickle, okay?
Open.
Okay. You want me to open it?
Open.
Pickles are 0 calories, 0 fat, 0 protein, but they got a lot of sodium. You must like the salt and the tartness. Yeah. You like pickles?
Pickles?
Uh-huh.
Yes.
Pickles are good.
Pickle is good.
I like to eat pickles.
Eat pickles.
They are yummy for my tummy.
Tummy.